Hey guys, welcome back to Mad Moose BBQ. I'm Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to smoke chicken wings. So today we're going to be cooking on our char griller acorn smoker. Now, the recipe for today can be adjusted to any type of grill or smoker as long as you're going to have the temperature set to the same degrees that we're going to be cooking at, which is about 350 to 375. So the first thing that we got here is a pack of party wings. So it's just the drumettes and the actual wings themselves. And the prep for this is going to be really easy. All we're going to do is take some Mad Moose BBQ rub. It's an all-purpose rub. It's got a little bit of everything in there. It doesn't have any sugar, but it's going to give our chicken wings some really great flavor. And all we're going to do is just get it on there liberally. Make sure we get all parts of the chicken. Flip them over. Get both sides. You want to make sure that you coat all parts of the chicken. I want that flavor to be around every single piece, every bite. The nice thing about this rub is it has a lot of paprika in it, so it's going to give our chicken wings a really nice color. So we're going to eat some of these just dry. We're going to sauce up some of these, and we're going to try out some different things. All right, so now that we have the wings sauced up, next thing we're going to do is fire up our smoker and get our temperature set to about 350 to 375 degrees. Okay guys, we're back here at the smoker. We're going to check the internal temperature of our chicken wings and see if we've hit that 180 degree mark that we're looking for. So we're just going to use our instant read thermometer. We have a ThermoWorks Thermopop, and we're going to try to find the biggest drumette, stick it right in the middle, and we're right about 175 on that one. Yeah, they're done. 188, 190. You know, the nice thing about the about party wings like this is that even if they get up to 200 degrees, they're not going to dry out because it's dark meat. So next thing we're going to do, we're just going to take them all off the grill. So, all right, next thing we're gonna do is we've got some of these chicken wings over here in this metal bowl. We're just gonna pour our barbecue sauce right on top of them. Get plenty of it in there, just like that. I'm gonna take it, stir them around, get that sauce on all of them, and then throw it back on the smoker, just like that. There we go. Just like that. Close it up, and we'll let that sit for just 2 or 3 minutes just so the sauce can heat up. And all right guys, our chicken wings are done. They've all hit the right temperature. Remember, we were looking for about 180 to 200. Anywhere in between there is going to be perfectly fine. The ones on your left have been sauced with Mad Moose BBQ sauce. The ones on your right have been just rubbed with our brand new all-purpose sugar-free barbecue rub. So the only thing left to do is go ahead and give them a taste test. We're going to start with just the dry rub. I like the drumettes myself. It's juicy. You got so much flavor from the dry rub. There's chili powder, there's garlic, onion, salt, pepper, paprika. So many things inside this rub that give it such great flavor. So that one is really, really good. And then now we're going to go ahead and try our barbecue sauced one. That is absolutely delicious. Personally, I like the barbecue sauce on my chicken wings, so these are my favorite, but the dry rub ones are really good as well. And you got to remember that we did put the dry rub on all of them, so these ones kind of have the best of both worlds in them. So, hey, Luke, Daniel, come here. You guys want to try some of the chicken wings that we made? No, look it. There you go. That's the dry rub. Here you go, Daniel. Take a bite. What do you think? Tastes good? Yeah? What do you think, Daniel? Very good? Okay, the boys say that the chicken wings are good, so we must have done a good job. So, hey, thanks for watching today, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. Make sure you follow us on all social media, Facebook, Instagram at Mad Moose BBQ. And if you want to try any of our products, you can go online to www.madmoosebarbecue.com. Yeah, so do those things. All right, thanks for joining us. I appreciate you guys' support. Have a great day.